Hi, lovelies. Today I am diving into the colorful and intricate world of Lippan artwork. And let me tell you, things are about to get seriously creative. Firstly, I thought of buying all the raw materials needed by myself, but I was confused of where to buy the perfect ones. I searched and found an Instagram page which sells beginners Lippan art kit, which is cheap and affordable. So if you would like to purchase, I will tag the page for your reference. They have sent us all the materials needed, starting with a bottle of varnish, few paint brushes, and colors of your choice, the cut mirrors, and pre-designed MDF board. Creating Lippan art is to mold the clay that comes with the kit. Well, it takes a little bit of effort and practice to achieve the perfect thickness and consistency. So, I would advise you all to try it out first in a sample cardboard and then start sticking it into your MDF board once you get the knack of it. Now, start sticking the clay to your MDF board just like I'm doing so. Once you finish sticking the outlines with the clay, now add a base coat with white acrylic paint before you start adding colors to your art. I have chosen turquoise and bright orange for my artwork as it suits my balcony garden. Now, the feather in the cap is when you start adding the cut mirrors to your chosen desire. You can see now that I have completed painting the turquoise colors. And now the feather in the cap. Start adding the cut mirrors to your chosen desire. Of course, it is a messy and a time taking process, but trust me, the final outcome is worth the efforts. Complete your artwork with a stroke of varnish. And ta-da! After hours of hard work and sheer determination, here it is, my very first Lippan artwork creation. And yes, it adds so much vibrance and life to any space. So, yes, that's it for today. The world is your canvas, so don't be afraid to paint it with your unique colors. Until next time, stay creative, stay passionate, and keep spreading those positive vibes. See you in my next video, and make sure you subscribe. Bye.